morning, children. My name is Pankaj Pradhan. How are you? You should take care and be safe in your home. Khasa Little Flower School presents a lecture of Science for 6th class, Chapter 2, Components of Food. In previous lecture, we studied about the food and their varieties. All food varieties are made up of different nutrients. Now, first of all, what do different food items contains? Food item contains different type of ingredients we studied earlier. For example, there are different type of ingredients contains components. Components that are needed for our body. Now, what do various nutrients do for our body? There are different type of nutrients in our body which perform many functions in our body. So, according to the functions, they are of different type called major components. Major component. That's one. First number is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the energy giving. It gives energy to our body. It's the sources in which it is found. Sweet taste food as all grains, fruits and nuts, etc. Its main function is to give energy to our body. So it is used as energy gaining food. Now, if and protein, next one is protein. Protein. Protein is the bodybuilding component. It repairs in our body different type of injuries, etc. Its sources are pulses, eggs, etc. So we have to maintain if injuries are had in our body. So we should take care in our food. We should eat pulses daily in our food. Third one is the fats. Fats means oily food. It is also energy giving food. Okay? Energy giving food. It is obtained from the oils of different plants. Soybean oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, etc. So it gives us energy. Now next one, vitamins. Vitamins are obtained from different fruits, vegetables, etc. It provides strength to our body. Its main function is give strength to our body and to fight against diseases. Next one is minerals. Minerals. There are different type of minerals which is used in our body as they are needed for our body in a small quantity. For example, iodine, calcium, phosphorus, etc. Okay, so there are 5 nutrients. Other than 5 nutrients, we should take water in our food. Water is the another component of the food. So we can say mainly 5 nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrate and fats are energy giving food. Protein are body repairing food. Vitamins give strength to our body and it is also needed for our body. There are different functions. Now we can say the deficiency diseases. In the absence of these components. For example, first of all, we have to take carbohydrate. Carbohydrate food we should take in proper quantity. If its deficiency, it causes Kwashiorkor Marimus diseases. Okay. Now protein is also the best food which repairs our body. If we do not take it in regular quantity, we will suffer from weakness in our body. Fats is also energy giving, so we should take in proper quantity. Vitamins are of different types. Its deficiency causes different type of disease. First of all, we have to take vitamin A. Vitamin A. Its sources are papaya, fruits means papaya, carrot, mango, etc. And its main function is to keep the healthy skin and to give eyes healthy. So it is the main vitamin for eyes and skin. If we do not take it in proper quantity, we will suffer from night blindness. Okay, and rough skin. And skin will be rough, and night blindness means we will suffer from eyesight weak. Now next one is vitamin B. Vitamin B is the main, although all vitamins are important for our body, it is available in wheat and rice. So its main function is to prevent infection and helps to support or promote cell healthy and growing of RBC. RBC means red blood corpuscles, which is found in our blood. There are three types of components in our blood: RBC, WBC and platelet. RBC, red blood cells, corpuscles. WBC means white blood corpuscles, and platelets. So its deficiency causes anemia. That is the disease which is caused by the shortage of our food, depression, okay, and weak muscles. The muscles become weak. These are the deficiency diseases of vitamin B. And other disease is this disease, weak muscles means very. The name of disease is very, in which our muscles become weak. Now we have to study the next vitamin, vitamin C. Vitamin C. It is found in sour taste food as guava, lemon, orange, etc. Its main function is to fight the body against diseases. So we should take so tasteful lemon orange. Okay. When we will not take in proper quantity, we will suffer from scurvy disease. Scurvy disease. In this disease, our teeth and gums become soft and causes bleeding in our gums. Bleeding. Bleeding means blood coming out from our gums and teeth. Okay. Next one is the vitamin D. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Its sources are milk, butter, fish, etc. So we should drink milk in regular, and its main function is to promote calcium absorption and maintenance the calcium level in body. So we maintain the calcium level in our body. Its deficiency disease is rickets. In rickets, our bones become soft. It is mainly caused in children. So we should take calcium-rich food. We can get this vitamin in sunlight. If we sit in sunlight, so we will get vitamin D. So on Sunday, we get vitamin D. Okay. Next one is vitamin E. Vitamin E. Vitamin E we will get from almonds, peanuts, etc. Sunflower oil, soybean oil. So we can get these oils, and its main function is it is act as an antioxidant. Antioxidant and muscles weakness. Its main deficiency disease as weakness of muscles, weakness of muscles, and vision problem. So our vision problem. Our seeing properly will weak. After that, next vitamin is called vitamin K. Vitamin K. Vitamin K, we get it from green leafy vegetable, palak, methi, dhania. Okay, legumes. Legumes means legumes. Legumes means those plants in which the roots have nodules. Nodules. Nodules means gaantheं. Its main function is called nitrogen fixation. It is found in pea plant, pea, okay, gram, etc. So it causes it's maintain the soil fertilization, soil fertile करता है, and nitrogen fixation. So after 2 or 3 crops, the farmer grows leguminous plants as pea plant and gram plant. So its main function is to blood clotting. Blood clot करना, if blood clotting. Blood clotting is main important function. When we injured from anything, after some time the flowing blood becomes clot. If clotting is not done, the blood flows continuously and we will get death. Now, disease. Deficiency disease means oozing from nose, gums. Gums means which is found in our mouth. Gums bleeding. Okay. Now after vitamins, we have to study about minerals. Minerals. Minerals, they are needed by our body in very small quantity. Very small quantity. First of all, number one is iodine. Iodine. It is obtained from fish, ginger and leafy vegetable. So we should eat a leafy vegetable daily. Its main function is to make thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone, which controls body's metabolism. Thyroid gland. It is found in thyroid gland in our neck. If its deficiency causes goiter disease. Goiter disease. In this disease, glands of our neck become swollen. Our neck becomes swollen. So it is due to the goiter disease by the deficiency of iodine mineral. Now next mineral. Next mineral we can take phosphorus. Phosphorus, it is obtained from banana, milk, chilies, etc. We can get it from banana. We should eat daily one banana. Its main function is to make protein for our growth and maintenance of the body. Its deficiency causes bone disease. There are different type of bone diseases. If we will not take it phosphorus in our food, we will suffer from bone disease. So we should eat one banana daily and milk. So we have discussed earlier that milk is the best food. In the milk, all the nutrients are found. So we see that children drink milk daily. So by the milk, he can get all the nutrients in proper quantity. Next one is iron. Iron. You know his symbol Fe. Iron means लोहा इसको बोलते हैं. Iron. Its sources are egg and milk. Egg and milk. So we should drink milk daily. Milk and egg. Okay. Its function is to form hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? Is the red pigment in our blood. It is type of protein. So we should eat iron food, milk and egg regularly. Its deficiency causes anemia. Anemia is a disease in which shortage of blood takes place. So we should eat and weakness in our body. Now next one is calcium. Calcium. Its symbol is Ca. Calcium. We get calcium from milk and cheese. So we are indicating that regularly why milk is the best food. Its function, it is the vital for healthy teeth and bodies. It maintains our teeth and body strong. So if we have shortage of calcium, we should eat calcium centose tablet, calcium tablets. Okay, its function. Now, deficiency disease, bone and tooth decay. Bone becomes weak, tooth decay. It is generally found in children, so they should drink milk daily to maintain the strong strength of the bone and teeth. Now, after that, we should discuss, or 4 points are discussed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dietary fiber. Dietary fibers. Dietary fiber means its other name is roughage. Other name is roughage. It is provided by the plant products in our body. Its sources are wheat, grains, proteins, fleshy fruits. Fleshy means thick food in which fibers are found. So they are called dietary fiber. Its function is help our body to get rid of undigested food. So it is helpful for our digestion. So we should eat dietary fiber 1 time daily. Okay. So dietary fiber, its other name is roughage. Now obesity. Obesity. Obesity means motapa. We see the different people becomes very fat. Eating too much. Eating too much of fat. If we take fat in excess quantity, we will suffer from obesity. So we should avoid fatty foods. Fatty foods in excess quantity. We should not take fatty foods in excess quantity. If we take, we will suffer from obesity. Our stomach becomes like this. Okay, so we should not eat fatty food, otherwise we will suffer from like this. Now, the next point of our lesson is balanced diet. Balanced diet means napatula khana. Mane we should take all the nutrients in proper quantity, not in excess quantity, not in shortage. If we take the food normally, we should eat normally food in proper quantity. This is called balanced diet. We should eat all the food, carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and waters. We should drink all the nutrients in proper quantity. So it is called balanced diet. Such diet is the different food items. For example, number 1, taste of starch. What is starch? It is a type of carbohydrate. Now we have to take starch-rich food. For example, potato, we take dish in which we take pieces of potato and take iodine solution, but iodine solution in a dish. We have to take it the potato. Now add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. It turns violet, blue, black color. It shows the presence of starch. Now next test we have to take the test of protein. Test of protein rich. We take protein rich food. As pulses, egg yolk, we should take in powder form and make paste. Now this paste should be taken in a test tube. Now add 10 drops of water. 10 drops of water. Okay, and 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda. 10 drops caustic soda. We will see that its color turns violet. The violet color shows the presence of protein. Okay. Now next test we have to do the test of fat. Test of fat. We have to take any fat, any vegetable oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, etc. And we have to take any paper. The sources of food of oil we take in the center and fold the paper and crush it. Now we have to straighten the paper. It should not tear off. We will see the patch in the center, that is oil patch. It shows the presence of fat. Okay. Now all the topics has completed. We have to discuss in the next lecture its question answers and exercise. Okay. Thank you. Bye.